Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI, and I wanted to show you guys this solar power exhaust fan that we just installed on our outdoor shed from Energise. So our shed is 8 foot by 16 foot, and we were just noticing that it was getting very stuffy and mildewy inside because of zero ventilation throughout the shed. So that's why we actually decided to install this fan the opposite way. That way it could help bring air inside the shed and provide some ventilation as opposed to taking the air out. The first thing we noticed is that it turned on instantly. So this fan is solar powered. That means it will continue to work all day long as the panel is exposed to sufficient direct sunlight. So because it's not able to store any power, once the sun sets, the fan will stop working. It also has an on and off switch as well, but ever since we installed it, we've just left it on, and we've been really happy with how great it works on a daily basis. And this 25-watt solar panel comes with pre-drilled holes on the back to make installation easy. What we ended up doing is just using some silicone on all four corners to attach it to our roof. We were also really impressed with the power of this 8-inch fan. It works at really high speed on a bright and sunny day, but even on a cloudy or rainy day, it still provided adequate airflow. And I personally just love how quiet this fan is. It hardly makes any noise, even on its highest fan speed. Just listen to how quiet it is. This setup has been super helpful in avoiding any kind of heat or moisture buildup in our shed, and we just couldn't be happier with it. And that's my point of view.